Hey, how are you guys? I'm Jeff. I'm with Transwest RV here in sunny, beautiful Belton, suburb of Kansas City, Missouri. I want to let you know we're all okay here. Last night we had a little bit of a scare because we had a hurricane without the rain here. We had like cataclysmic force winds, 90 miles, 100 miles, 200 miles an hour, something like that. It was ridiculous. We actually did pretty well. We didn't have anything knocked over. We only had a couple of our motorhomes sucked up into the stratosphere and blown hundreds of miles away. So we still got plenty more of them. I wanted to kind of take you back in time a little bit today though, because we have something a little unusual. So zoom in on my hands here. Just zoom real in, real tight, because we're gonna go back in time. Okay, here we are. All right. We have a treat for you. This is the year 2000, and we have a motorhome that was made in 2000. Now that actually was before motorhomes were called motor coaches. It was before diesel engines knew what diesel exhaust fluid was. It was before I was old. It's a long time ago. It's this coach right here. Can you see it? Can you get your eyes on this? Does that look like a motorhome you've ever seen? No, it does not. This is a 2000 Tiffin Allegro Bus. Now they still make the Tiffin Allegro Bus, which speaks to its long-lived fidelity. This one is just a little older than new ones. Now, as it's obvious, or should be obvious to you, this coach, like all Tiffins ever made, old, new, future, present, past, whatever, is built extremely well. If this coach was not built the way that it is, it would not be sitting here in 2021. I know I told you it's 2000, but you know, it's not. Come on, let's take a look. Hey, look at this. Come on up here. Look at these seats. These are beautiful cockpit chairs. They're flex steel. And as you can see, well, you can't really feel it, but it's supple. This is what I would call supple leather. Fine Corinthian leather, ideally, yes. This is great stuff. These seats are extremely comfortable, nice and padded. Look at the dash. There's not a scratch on it. It's beautiful. You've got the burled wood look. It's really pretty, actually. This is a Freightliner. It's a 360 horsepower engine. This engine's still used today, especially in this motorhome, but no, they make this engine. The entire interior has been renovated recently, which is one of the really nice things about this. Just kind of take a swoop around here and take a look at this thing. It's really very beautiful. The last owner has done some painting, so he's painted some of the walls. He's also painted the doors and the woodwork. As you can see, it has new furniture, so there's a new dinette area which makes into a bed. There's a new couch, which is a drop-down couch that gives you room to sleep another person. And there's also this couch over here, which is set up for full storage underneath. And all of this product here is new. The kitchen boasts a big microwave convection oven, new lighting, bullet lighting, plenty of cabinetry. You've got room here to put all kinds of stuff for your trips. This is your gauge that tells you what your, oh, I'm sorry, that's your inverter gauge. It tells you how your power's looking. More cabinetry up here, and a lot of cabinetry back here. And one thing I really like, when you're sitting down at the dinette eating your eggs and bacon, you can just simply reach up here and grab yourself a cup of coffee. Nothing better than that, nothing more convenient. Take a look around here. And folks, the floor is new. So this is vinyl plank flooring that is brand new as well, and it's gorgeous. They used to put carpet in these coaches, which, glad they quit doing that. This is your refrigerator, which is a nice big size refrigerator. It's LP or electric. Large freezer. And let's walk through here. So this is an area that is a comfort station, you might say, or a water closet, or maybe just a bathroom. The toilet, got a nice sink. You've got a Holiday Inn style hair dryer right there. Great to have that along for when you need to blow on your hair. You've also got a skylight up above there and a big shower with an area to sit down if you want to do that. And you've also got a full-size closet here. If you can get around there and take a look inside there, we're giving you some hangers with it. It's all ready to go. Also, if you want to get crazy, this section here right now is empty, but it is set up and ready to go if you want to put a washer and dryer unit in here. You've got the plumbing, you've got the venting, you've got the electric. It's all here. So all you got to do is slip one in there if you want to do your laundry. Back here we have the main bedroom, and you have a pillow top mattress, which is relatively new. You've got nice lighting from the windows on both sides. Beautiful cabinetry back here as well. Plus, they've put a flat panel TV in here, which up front there's a TV as well. But it's from like 1954. It's got a big tube in it. You probably want to get rid of that. Or maybe you don't, maybe that's just fine. And of course you got a DVD player up here for the bedroom. This coach has 2 ACs, 2 different zones. It's really set up very, very well for a family or just a couple traveling. This coach allows you to do some things that you might not want to do if you bought a brand new coach, which is you can do anything you want to with it. You can renovate it more. You can paint it a different color. You can put different flooring down. You can do whatever you want to in a coach like this, because this coach is value priced right now for only $29,999. You can't buy a car for that in most places. This coach is ready to go. All you got to do is come take a look at it, see what you like about it, and let us know. We'd love to sell it to you. And it's a lot of fun. I myself have a coach that is an older coach. I have renovated it. It's a lot of fun to do, especially if you think you have some sort of eye for style or design. It might be the thing for you. It might be the thing for you and your kids, or you and your wife, or maybe you're just crazy and you want to do everything yourself. You can do that with this, but you don't need to, because the last guy already did a lot of it. So come on in. We're open here 6 days a week. We're open Mondays through Saturdays from 8 to 5. And I'm here most of the time. My name is Jeff. Ask for me, because I'm the smartest guy there is here. Well, it's probably not saying a whole lot, but I am the smartest guy who's here. Ask for me. I'll get you into this coach or any of the other fine coaches we've got here, other than those 2, which are probably in Oklahoma by now. So come on in, take a look. We'll get you rolling. Thanks.